but can't understand all of my energy spent on can. Where are the answers that you all talk of? Because I got no clue of this.
But kinetic energy, it's even harder to remember that it's the motion energy. You say it's easy to take in, but is it really that simple? And you're still missing the theory. Our gas is made of tiny particles.
Very small spheres with little volume, and their motion is rapid. I'm stuck in collisions, but they're just crashes that cause all the rebounds all around.
Now it's gas pressure that caused by collision that keeps my balloon in shape. It's not a vacuum because we'd be wrong if there were particles present.
If happy ever after did exist, I won't be torturing with this. All those textbooks are full of things that we should know at the end of this.
I said atmospheric pressure decreases as you go up because elevation increases, but you didn't understand. You can't expect me to keep calm. You seem to not even care. You know a barometer measures atmospheric pressure.
101.3 kPa is 1 atm is 760 millimeters of mercury. All are the same, but that you can't retake.
Gas particles absorb energy and they speed up quite fast too. What has just happened? The temperature has changed even before.